Dear guests, parents, friends, and the young and energetic dancers of the day, Shubha Sandhya to all. I, Charulata,
And myself, Saili. We, your hosts for today, welcome you to the witness the beautiful journey of Sri Guru Datta Nrityalaya of classical program.
it is my pleasure to welcome you all at Natasamrat Niru Phule Natyagruha to the 7th annual concert of Sri Gurudatta Nrityalaya, presenting Digdarshana, a path to divinity.
Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate the achievements and hard work of our dear students. The sole purpose of this event is to provide a platform to our students to showcase their talent. We sincerely hope that this event will inspire our students to continue pursuing their passion and to achieve greater success and heights.
We are honored to have with us today Guruma Srimati Sumitra Rajguru from Mumbai and Vedwan Shri Manjunath Puttur from Mangalore. I request you both to please come on the stage and light diya. I also request Mr. Naveen sir, our beloved Rajni ma'am, Krishna ji sir and Radha ma'am to come up on the stage to light the diya. Lighting the lamp is a symbolic movement that signifies the dispelling of darkness. Thank you all. And please be seated. I request chief guest to be seated on the stage. Let me take the privilege to introduce our chief guest to all of you. Guruma Srimati Sumitra Rajguru has been serving the classical Indian dance tradition since 1974 through her school Nritya Pravesh. She is a distinguished exponent of Bharatnatyam with a BFA degree from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, which is affiliated to Mumbai University. And also she holds MA degree from Mumbai University. Her dynamism inspires young students to take interest in classical dance under her able guidance. Many young and illustrious students have been initiated to Bharatnatyam and have performed Arangetram. Here is a remarkable talent in dancing, a passion kindled by Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanak Rede, renowned Guru Sri Kalamamani T.S. Kadiravellu, and great Guru Srimati P.N. Rajalakshmi. She believes that art is like an ocean, unfathomable and abundant, drawing upon which elevates an individual. Above all, she practices her strong belief that arts are not only for the privileged, but by making it accessible to all who are desirous. She has received Kala Guru Award from Nityanjali for her research in dance. Her book on dance named Nritya Pravesh is a standard learning guide for diploma course of government dance examinations. In November 2013, she received Nritya Shiromani from Shivalik Institute. In April 2014, on International Dance Day, She was felicitated by Nritya Kala Niketan Mumbai for her contribution in dance. In 2018, Srimati Rajguru was honored by the Dance India Group for her 40 and more years of dedicated service in the field of dance. Recently, in March 2024, she received Kanaka Shakti Award from Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya for her relentless efforts and services to society, standing tall as a strong woman. Additionally, she received a Swini Award from the Akhil Brahman Samaj for her outstanding contribution to dance spanning over 45 years. She has also been honored with the Nari Shakti Award for Goregaon Mahila Samaj. On 5th March 2024, she was awarded Subal Sarkar Award for her exceptional achievements in the field of dance. On 8th March 2024, she was honored with Aparajita Award from Abhinaya Institute, adding to her distinguished list of recognitions. Srimati Sumitra Rajguru has also served as a judge for various dance competitions, including the Youth Festival, SNDT University, Malhar, Umang, Kshitij, and Kiran festivals of folk and classical dances. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your blessings and your kind presence today. I would like to take this opportunity and introduce Shri Manjunath and Puttar from Dakshin Kannada. Started his learning Bharatnatyam at his age of 6 under Natya Nilayam Vidwan Balakrishna Manjeshwar and continued senior with Vidwan Deepak Kumar Puttur. Later completed Vidvat exam in the year 2013 under Sudarshan M.L. Bhatt. Later on, continued his education with Shantala Awardee Guru Dr. Vasundhara Doraswamy, Director of VPAC. Presently, he is the disciple of Karnataka Kalashri Guru Vidwan Sharadamani Shekhar and Vidushi Srilata Nagaraj Shetty at Sanatana Natyalaya, Mangalore. Shri Manjunath sir is the director of Shri Manjunath Nritya Kala Shale Kalburgi. He is also Yakshagan and Sugama Sangeet singer. He has performed over 500 Bharatnatyam programs, 200 Yakshagana and more than 200 light music programs. He holds Asia Book of Record and India Book of Record in different Talavadan techniques. A special mention is that this record is considerable as the first record of its style in the world. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and being here with us today. Ma'am and sir, we are delighted to have you both as a chief guest on this August evening.
Now I request Guru Sumitra Rajguru ma'am to address us.
नमस्ते। मैं आज श्री गुरुदत्त नृत्यालय की अधिष्ठाता गुरु श्रीमती रजनी नवीन को बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करती हूँ कि उसने आज मुझे ये प्रोग्राम के लिए यहाँ पे लायक समझा और मुझे चीफ गेस्ट करके बुलाया। पर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ये मेरा टॉनिक है ये उम्र में, कि कहीं भी क्लासिकल प्रोग्राम हो तो वहाँ जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति में कला की उपासना, यानी कोई भी कला हो, संगीत, नृत्य, पेंटिंग, ड्राइंग, कोई भी कला हो, उसके द्वारा हम लोग कला की उपासना करते हैं और कला की उपासना हमें सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम की तरफ लेके जाती है, जो आज के बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति की ये सब परंपरा है जितनी ये लोग सीख रहे हैं, और मुझे आनंद खुशी होती है कि पुणे में इतने क्लासिकल सीखने वाले बच्चे हैं। और मैं धन्यवाद आप माता पिता का भी करती हूँ कि आपने अपने बच्चों को अच्छे गुरु के हाथ में रखा और क्लासिकल सिखाना शुरू किया और उसकी एग्ज़ाम भी देते हैं। ये बहुत बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि नृत्यम संस्कृति संवर्धनम, अर्थात नृत्य द्वारा संस्कृति की रक्षा, जो सच्चे अर्थ में ये करते हैं। और इनको मैं विद्यार्थी नहीं कहूँगी, उनको उपासक या साधक कहूँगी, क्योंकि ये साधना का विषय है, ये उपासना का विषय है। इसमें हम लोग ने आज पढ़ा, कल एग्जाम दी, परसों भूल गए, ऐसे नहीं होता है। इसको बरसों तक आपको सीखना पड़ता है, उसकी साधना करनी पड़ती है, तब जाके आपको 1 और 2% नॉलेज हो जाता है। मैं मेरे गुरु को पूछती थी बहुत साल पहले कि मुझे आपका जैसा कि कैसे नॉलेज कितना है, तो मैं कभी आपका जैसा नॉलेज, तुम 6-7 जन्म लोगी राजगुरु सुमित्रा बन के, और मैं PN राजलक्ष्मी, तुमको आ जाएगा। क्योंकि ये एक जन्म के लिए ये होता नहीं है, ये संस्कृति को तुमको रक्षा करने के लिए बहुत स्टडी करना पड़ेगा। विवेकानंद ने भी कहा कि हर एक बच्चे में जब वो जन्म लेता है, उसमें एक दिव्य अलग शक्ति रहती है जो उसको, मतलब यानी पढ़ाई तो बहुत जरूरी है, मैं समझती हूँ ये कॉम्पिटिटिव है, पर ये दिव्य शक्ति पहचानना माता पिता का काम है कि मेरा बच्चा ड्राइंग में जाएगा, क्लासिकल वोकल में जाएगा, इंस्ट्रूमेंट में जाएगा या डांस में जाएगा। डांस में भी किस में जाएगा, जिसको जितने पास में क्लास हो उतनी आजकल ट्रैफिक के एरिया में हमको सुविधा रहती है। तो आपने अपने बच्चों को ये जो सुवर्ण वाक्य है इसका श्री विवेकानंद स्वामी का कि हर एक की दिव्य शक्ति है, वो पहचानना माता पिता का कर्तव्य है, उसको अच्छे सही हाथ में देना भी सही है। बाद में तो गुरु आते ही है। गुरु माता पिता सबसे पहले हम लोग अपने माता पिता को गुरु मानते हैं, उसके बाद अपना गुरु जो आपको नृत्य द्वारा भी, आप यहाँ पे मैं बात कर रही हूँ नृत्य की, तो नृत्य द्वारा हर एक बच्चे में डिसिप्लिन आती है कि ये टाइम पे मैं नहीं पहुँचूंगा या पहुँचूंगी तो मुझे तकलीफ होगी, इतना सीखने का जाएगा। शिस्त आती है, संस्कार आते हैं, क्योंकि ये डिवाइन परंपरा है, ये दैविक परंपरा है। इसमें आप अभी आगे सब अपने जो भी नृत्य कृति है उसमें देखेंगे कि हर एक भगवान की स्तुति, ये रंगमंच आज अपना मंदिर रंग मंदिर बन गया है, जिसमें सब देवियां डांस करने वाली हैं। दिखती है अप्सरा जैसी, लेकिन अपनी लड़कियां सब देवी है और वो मंदिर में एक एक भगवान की स्तुति करने वाली है। तो इसलिए मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि क्लासिकल प्रोग्राम में कोई वाव, गुड, सुपर्ब, ओ नो, सो नाइस, ऐसा कभी नहीं कोई बोलते, कोई सिटी नहीं मारते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पे अपनी देवियाँ डांस करती है तो देवियों को तो हम लोग नमस्कार करते हैं। और ये इन्होंने इतनी साधना की है। आजकल पढ़ाई का इतना है प्रेशर, फिर भी पढ़ाई को साइड में रख के भी इसकी उपासना करती है। मैं बहुत बहुत आजकल के सब उपासकों को, उनके माता पिता को, सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि ये अच्छी कला चुनी और इससे वो लोग अपने गुरु का, माता पिता का, अपने देश का नाम जरूर रोशन करें। शुभम भवतु।
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Ma'am, I'm happy to share with you that we all use your Bharatnatyam book for our Bharatnatyam journey. Now I request Mr. Manjunath sir to share a few words with us. Thank you.
Namaskaram to everyone. The stage is for kids. Ma'am discussed so many things and I'm very privileged, blessed to sit near to Sumitra Rajguru ma'am. She is very senior, that is what I am talking. In 1974, she started her institution. Learning and everything is different. Human beings, we are learning like till death. So when she started her institution at 1974, that time I am just asking myself where I am that time. So I am sitting in front of, near to her, or I am talking, discussing something is like blessing moment for me personally. And I thankful to always Rajani ma'am. She is my student. She is learning with me. She is such a inspirational because she is maintaining everything. I know her husband, her parents, and everyone, even her students also, senior students also helping a lot. But she is managing everything, and she is now standing in this big city, Pune. Now she proved her institution, Gurudatta Natyalaya, is one of the standard institution in Pune. I'm very happy and proud of her always. Once again, congratulations to all the parents, students, and this Gurudatta Nrityalaya, the whole institution. Nrityam Gelge, Nrityam Balge. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now I request the chief guest to be seated and enjoy the program. We know you all are excited to watch your kids' performances. Before we begin the program, let us tell you about Sri Gurudatta Nrityalaya. Sri Gurudatta Nrityalaya was started by Srimati Rajni Navin ma'am in the year 2015 with blessing of her parents, gurus, and supported by her husband, Mr. Navin sir, and family. She is a qualified Bharatanatyam teacher. She teaching with just 2 students at home. Gradually student increases to 25, then now 70, and now she teaches to more than 200 students. Rajni ma'am conducts classes in Marunji, Wakad, and Hinjawadi Phase 3. Along with offline classes, she started online classes in 2019 for the students who reside and outside Pune. Her online students are from US, UK, and Abu Dhabi. She also makes her students to appear for Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya exam, which is recognized all over the world. From 2016, Sri Gurudatta Nrityalaya students have cleared the Bharatanatyam exam with 100% result. Just like every year, this year as well 90 students have appeared for the exam, including students from UK and USA. Along with exam, ma'am encourages students to participate in various dance competitions. Many students have bagged first, second, and third prizes on national level platforms.
Rajni ma'am have visited various dance programs as judge across Pune. She has also performed in many programs at places like Hampi, Bangalore, Mumbai, and Pune. She has received awards like Kala Sadhana, Nritya Vibhushan, Nritya Avishkar, and many more. We all wish a many successful years ahead to Sri Gurudatta Nrityalaya. And now, it's a time to start our program for which we all have gathered here today, waiting for and excited to watch the evening full of energy and rhythm. Can I request the technical team to be ready with the musical pieces and also the lights on the stage?